Hey up everybody, so today we're at AutoBrite Direct's Grand Opening, which is just over there. There's a lot of cars here today, so I'm going to shut up, we'll have a look and stay tuned.
Morning everyone, won't keep you any longer, thanks for coming. Let's open these doors so you can come inside and have a look. Let's go.
Hey up everybody, as you can see I'm not at the AutoBrite Open Day anymore. My camera died whilst I was there, but a big thanks to the AutoBrite guys for putting that event on. It was absolutely brilliant. There's probably 60 cars in the actual car park itself, everything from a Mitsubishi Colt that had semi-slick tyres all the way to a Ferrari 458, an Escort. Everything you could possibly think of from every single range of cars was something there. JDM, Euro, British, everything. Really good event. The shop looks absolutely brilliant. If you haven't seen it, there'll be plenty of photos up on my Instagram which I'll put up here. If you did enjoy the content, please remember to like and subscribe. Keep up to date with what I'm doing, and if you want to have a look at any of the AutoBrite products, I'll leave a link down below as well. There's some really good stuff there and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. But until next time, I'll see you then.